Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this video, I'll walk you through how to manage and automatically empty the trash in your Gmail to keep your account clean and clutter-free. Let's get started. First, log into your Gmail account and take a look at the menu on the left-hand side. Here, you will see common sections like Inbox, Send, and Draft. If you don't immediately see the trash or bin folder, scroll down and click the More option to expand the full list of categories. Once expanded, go ahead and click on the trash folder. Gmail stores all your deleted emails here temporarily. Now, here's something important to note. Gmail automatically deletes email from your trash after 30 days, so you don't have to do anything to enable automatic removal. It's already built in. However, if you prefer to clean out your trash manually before 30 days mark, here's how you can do that instantly. At the top of the trash folder, click the checkbox to select all messages currently in view. Then, look just above the email list and click on Delete Forever. Gmail will ask you to confirm this action. Once confirmed, all selected emails will be permanently deleted and can't be recovered. Remember to avoid unnecessary clutter in future. Try archiving important emails instead of deleting them. That way, they stay accessible without sitting in your inbox or trash. And there you have it, guys. Whether you let Gmail auto-delete messages or you take the manual route, managing your trash folder is a quick way to keep things running smoothly. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.